Camera defocus, shake and black dots, etc. are all common issues with iPhone rear camera. Besides replacing it, repair is undoubtedly the most cost-effective way. It also eliminates the worry of the pop-up message. In this video, REFOX will take the iPhone 12 Pro to replace the blue lens as an example to share how to fix the problem of the rear camera blur. First, we check the function of the 0.5 times and 1 times rear camera. The results are normal. When it turns into 2 times camera, the image became blurry. We took out the rear camera and found that the blue lens of the 2 times camera was damaged. We need to replace the blue lens of the rear camera to make it clear. Put the 0.5 times and 1 times cameras with protective tape. Place it into the rear camera heating station. Set the temperature to 110 degrees Celsius to heat it. Use a sculpture knife to remove the adhesive around the 2 times camera. And then we use a pry knife to remove the protective shield. Use a dust-free cloth to lightly press and remove the 2 times camera with tweezers. We use a hot air gun at 160 degrees Celsius and use a pry knife to remove the residual adhesive from the camera. Apply several solder paste. Use the soldering iron at 360 degrees Celsius to separate the motor and camera sensor. We need to clean the residual adhesive on the motor to facilitate subsequent alignment. To avoid the impact of the focusing effect, we need to better fit and solder the motor and camera sensor module. Use PCB cleaner to clean the around of the sensor module. Attach the motor to the camera repair fixture. Use the hot air gun at 240 degrees Celsius to melt the blue lens. Remove the melted lens by lightly pressing with tweezers. Continue to heat it up and remove the residual glue around the motor. Take a new blue lens and place it on the sleeve. Align the motor and lens in place and press it gently. After checking that the blue lens is pressed into place, apply a little curing adhesive next to the blue lens. Use the UV lamp to cure. After 1 minute, check the curing effect. Before soldering, use the optical lens dusting stick to clean the dust on the filter. Align the sensor module with the motor. Apply a little solder paste and solder with a soldering iron at 360 degrees Celsius. After soldering, use a little PCB cleaner to clean it up. Do not let the PCB cleaner into the camera. To prevent the camera from getting dusty, we can put a band of curing glue around the camera. Use UV light to cure for 1 minute. And apply several drops of glue on the metal shield to fix the camera. Add a little glue on the back of the camera. And fix the metal shield. Tear off the protective sticker. And place the camera back on the phone. Open the phone and check the rear camera function. The 2 times camera shows the image clearly. Repair complete. Above is the replacement guide for iPhone 12 Pro camera blue lens. Besides, REFOX also offers professional bulk repair services. Include the rear camera, the motherboard and screens. Please contact our account manager for further details.